Welcome to my channel. This is the financial statistics for the income achieved. Here we can browse our website, and here the sheet names are arranged: income sources, the next sheet geographically, the next sheet sales process, and the final sheet project status in working on process. So in here the four sheets are here. I have arranged them. Income sources, we can select year wise, yearly target and the yearly income amount achieved, and for the year, month wise, the income level in the area chart, and here the income breakdowns in the bar chart. We can see year wise it will change according to the year. And here marketing strategies, B2B and B2C, the percentages and the income from the marketing strategies, the income gained. And finally in this chart, the income achieved percentage here, 95% in 2025, say in 2002 100% achieved, see 2024 106% achieved, see in 2020 94% achieved. So remaining 6% to be filled in this donut chart. Okay, the remaining blue and red colors are when the income is high, it will highlight it as red color. See in the next year, mostly all of the years, advertising is the highest income achieved. Other income sources are less than from advertising. Advertising, renting, subscription, usage fees, licensing, and asset sales. These are the income sources and the income gain from each income sources. And these are the income breakdowns. You can see from licensing, software, material license, and floating license, how many percentage and how much of income gain from each income breakdowns. And this is the percentage, 37% from licensing income gained. For each year it will change. It is fully dynamic. And usage fees also has some income breakdowns. Each income sources have income breakdowns. Advertising has the 5 income breakdowns: company wise, Facebook, Google ads, television ads, and YouTube channels. Likewise, yearly it will change. Then the next sheet is geographically, yearly, year wise, geographical income. Few countries are here in the world map, and how much of business has done and percentage here in this table. And in this donut chart, we can see 2020 105% income amount achieved, in 2023 90% achieved. So in this bar chart we can see the target amount and actual amount, the comparison throughout the countries. By filtering this years we can see the year wise. Okay, this is the target. Here USA is the cup and the UK is the warehouse. So each country is connected with USA and UK. The next sheet is sales process. Target is here. Pie chart, we can see the refunded percentage. See in 2023 13% refunded. Each year's monthly wise target, monthly wise income in the area chart. And in this bar chart, delivery types, branch, shipment, and download. These are the delivery types, changes yearly wise. And the sales percentage in this donut chart, 103% sales achieved. Here in 2022 96% sales achieved. So remaining 4% need to be achieved. Okay, in this diagram you can see in 2020 how many customers are there, branches and website are the payment method. So which is the highest payment method has done, branches or website? In 2020 it is branches. This is a payment method, cash on delivery or credit card. In 2020, cash on delivery, this path is highlighted, so this is the highest percentage done. Customers are registered customers, so non-registered customers information. In 2020, it is higher level of registered customers, so paid orders are 162. This is fully dynamic. Yearly wise, it will change. 2021 branches is the highest one. See, 2022 credit card is highest. See, it is fully dynamic. We will see this progress presentation one by one in the next videos.